Hi, in this video I will show how to use application for converting CSV file into a Markdown file. This is my website. To find application, I will click on search and type Markdown. Click on export to Markdown and then CSV to Markdown and click on download to start the loading process. I will be recording more videos on Markdown conversion, so if you're interested, please consider subscribing to my channel. While it's downloading, I can show you CSV file I have on my documents, and it's called states CSV, and it contains information about US states. Let's keep it search states CSV. Yep. This one, I'll double click on it because I have a CSV viewer. It's basically a free app. It's showing what is inside CSV file and can export into different format. What you can see inside is information about state name, state code, region, subregion, and about all 50 states from Alabama to Wyoming. And also I can open this file into Notepad just to show you what is inside. And inside is the same information, just in text format and comma separated format. So we will have to convert this file to Markdown, and I will do it with that. And let's go back to our download. And you can see zip archive has been downloaded. I'll click on archive, double click on the site to start installation. Click on more info here. I'm getting this screen from Windows because I'm not a registered publisher with Microsoft. You can see publisher unknown. I'll just click run anyway to start installation. Click on next install. Click on yes and click finish on final screen. And you can see application has been installed, CSV To Markdown, on my computer. I have a new shortcut. Now I can close this, double click on shortcut. I can close this as well. And so conversion is 3 steps process. In the first step, I'll have selected my CSV file. So step 1, select CSV file. I'll click to select input files button. And I know it's in my documents, my file, so I'll just type states CSV, select this one. Click on open, click on next step. If my CSV file, first row, has a column names, which is the case for my file, let's open it again. Can I open it with just edit? Yeah. So you can see first is the column names, right? State name, state, and then data. So this is the case for my file, so I will keep it checked. Click on next. And on final step, I can preview my Markdown, or I can save it as a text file. So it's asking me for name location of the file. This name location is okay. Just click save. And you can see file has been saved. Now, in order to test my Markdown file, I'm gonna go on GitHub, right? And I've been testing here previously files, so I'll just delete this one. And then I go to documents, right? Date modified. This is my file we created. I will select this one, Ctrl A, Ctrl C, close, then Ctrl V into GitHub, and just click commit changes. And you can see our data is nicely converted to Markdown file, and we can see it on GitHub. All states from Alabama to Wyoming is here. So yeah, basically that's it. Yeah, I can edit this Markdown file. I can show you how it looks like if I want to. But yeah, basically that's it. If you have any questions, please leave them in comments below. Thank you.